The RNA that combines with proteins to form ribosomes. Ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA is a molecule that helps make proteins in your cells by forming part of the ribosome, a machine that builds proteins. Imagine you're trying to assemble a piece of flat-pack furniture, but all you have is a bag of random screws and pieces without any instructions. This situation is akin to the role of ribosomal RNA, rRNA, in the cell, where it acts as the crucial component that guides and assembles proteins, much like how an instruction manual helps you assemble furniture. Just as rRNA combines with proteins to form ribosomes, which are the cell's workbenches for protein synthesis, the instruction manual combines with your bag of parts to form the complete piece of furniture, ensuring everything fits together correctly and functions as intended.